So the fourth selection statement is nothing but multi-way decision making. So multi-way decision making. How to do the program? Before that, we have to know the concept as well as syntax. And this multi-way decision making, we can also call it as if else ladder statement. So this is the fourth type of statement, comes under selection statement, right? Multi-way decisions, we have to perform multi-way decision using if else ladder. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Choice. Okay, so this one we can also call it as like if else if. Okay, and we are going to verify with the syntax as well as example based on if else if statement, right? So before entering the syntax, let us take general example. If you go to the like shopping complex, we are visiting number of shops for time pass purpose or for buying purpose, but if you like the product, we are going to buy that product. Otherwise, we are not taking any product. Once our job is done, we are come out from the shopping mall. Decision if else statement, we are going to define number of text expressions or conditions like this. If first text expression or first condition is true, then statement 1 is executed or group of statements are executed. Otherwise, we are going to write else space if text expression 2 is executed. So that is nothing but statement 2. Okay, so similarly we are writing else if text expression 3, then group of statements or one statement 3 is executed, and so on. Okay, and so on. So we are going to define else if text expression n. Okay, so then statement n is executed. So if all text expressions are wrong, then there is a else statement, and ultimately statement negative or statement x will be executed. If all are false, then this will be executed, right? And one more thing, the condition is going to be evaluated. Okay, if any text expression is true, maybe text expression 1 or 2 or 3 or n, then that statement only executed, either statement 1 or statement 2 or statement 3 or statement n. So if statement 1 is executed, then that entire chain is going to be terminated. Okay, so only one statement is executed among the all n number of statement. That may be 1, 2, 3, n or x, only one. So that is a key point, right? So let us example. The example is like we are taking like grade, or we can also take like marks. So if marks is more than 90, then grade A. If marks is between 80 to 90, okay, that is nothing but grade is 80 to 90, then grade is B. If grade is 70 to 80, then grade is the C. If grade is below 60, if grade is below 60, then we have to write D is the grade. Okay, so if grade is F, then we have to write fail. So like that we are going to implement the program. So in this program we had to read the value from the keyboard, that is M. If M value, that means marks value is 87, we are expected A grade, as well as we are taking 27 value, we are expecting the grade F. Similarly, we can take different type of marks based on that you can expect at the grade. I hope you understand this program. Thank you for watching.